Good morning. Welcome to this reading with me. As the title suggests, we are going to have a look at the solstice. We are going to have a reading on the solstice, the energy that it brings, what is changing for you, what messages are coming through for you. And it's up to you to see if these are messages that you would like to welcome, that are working for you, or maybe that you would like to listen and see how it unfolds for you as we go. So for some of you, you are experiencing the summer solstice. For others, you are experiencing the winter solstice. We are going to focus on the winter solstice in this reading. You see if it works, because at times you could be in summer, but your process is pretty much a winter one, or you could be going through winter. You could be in the winter season, but then what's breaking through for you, your breakthrough feels more like something summery. So there are many readings on YouTube right now about summer solstices, winter solstices. You see which one works for you. So welcome to this reading again. We are going to have a couple of channelings, but before we do that, I wanted to do the shuffling with you and the choice of cards with you. Winter solstice reading. I do think something is going to make a noise in your life, okay? Take this one. Bottom of deck, inner temple, devotion, tune in the portal of your heart. All right. I'm going to put that over here. Winter solstice reading, solstice energy reading. Leadership, take charge of this situation. If for some of you, your teachers, you're going back to education settings and all that, you inspire young people to learn. You could be in a sector where you work with youth, where you are in educational settings. It could be in any capacity. It could also be in the home where, you're working with your children or your baby sitting there. You see if it works, if it resonates. Let's have a look. December solstice reading. What am I saying? December? No. June solstice reading. Winter solstice reading. And solstice energy reading, please. This one, this one, this one, and bottom of deck. Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis. Hope I'm saying all these names right. Always be the first lady. Always be the first man. Marry for love, for money, but most of all, companionship. Don't just take the picture, enter it. There is a certain crowning here as a result of you having been able to trust your process, or having been able to reach the part of your process where you have stepped into your heart, where you have stepped into the energy of attraction, and you are attracting a crowd. You are, I was about to say crown, but I said crowd, CROWD. You are attracting a crown, you are attracting a crowd, you are attracting leadership. For some of you, there is teaching involved, there's a crowd, there are people, there is a mass, okay? Jacqueline Kennedy, first lady, first woman, first man, okay? Something is being crowned here. And then when it comes to the tarot, for some of you, if you would like to hear a little about love, we'll draw on that too. For some of you, if this is something you're not interested in, you will omit this part. So maybe we can get the tarot later. Okay, so we'll get regular tarot reading and one on love as well if we have time to do that. Let me just prepare the decks. Okay, so we'll shuffle later. So close your eyes and choose between channeling 1, channeling 2, and channeling 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to be short with this so there wouldn't be any timestamp. Channeling 1. You're attracting love. Channeling 1 is what I am getting. You're attracting love. For many of you, this could be a Sagittarius or somebody with strong Sagittarius in their chart, strong Jupiter characteristics, strong Sagittarian characteristics, very expansive. You two could be different in some way or the other, but this is something this person, like yourself, does not see. They love you for your mind. They love you for, I'm hearing, for your something with that is exotic in you but also eccentric in you. Okay, so you may have a little bit of Aquarius in you, but you appear very Venusian. You could be Libras, or you could have Libra qualities. You could be a very balanced person, graceful, beautiful. You could be very light in your energy, and you are attracting this person, this Sagittarius, or somebody with strong Sagittarian traits, Jupiterian traits. Okay, you are attracting love. Channeling 1. Channeling 2. Wow, that breathing was deep. Channeling 2. Congratulations. You are one of the people who have been able to drop whatever your ego, whatever your human self, and I'm not saying ego in the wrong way here, because there is a good side of ego. We all need some type of ego to function, right? We are in the world. We need something to associate with. But what I see with you, channeling 2, congratulations. You have been able to let a lot dissolve from your ego. What I see for that, for many of you in this group, it's a strong academic background. It's a strong belief background. Many of you here, you're Aquarius people. You're people with strong Aquarius with your chart, strong Uranus influences in your chart, genius, knowledge. Wherever you are, Aquariuses, if they are academic, awesome, but they don't have to be academic to be absolutely intelligent. They're wired differently. Something about Aquarius. You're congratulated here. For some of you, you have given up on some of your beliefs. You have been able to put them aside. It's not like you've given up completely, but I do see part of your process was asking you to kind of tone it down, tone it down, tone it down so we can fashion you to get into a role that will work for you, where you can do what you love, which is definitely something humanitarian here, something with a cause, something with strong beliefs. But if you're going to go and rebel against everything, be all Mars, if some of you have got Mars, you've got Uranus, and you've got Aquarius in your chart here, I would be surprised if I'm not reading for people with Aquarius Sun, Aquarius rising, Uranus in Aquarius, Aquarius life path. There's all that here. Tone it down so that we can fashion you, put you into a role so that you can do what you do. And you get, I'm hearing, you get a pay from it, you get a wage from it. And at the same time, you learn what others are saying about something, you take into consideration all the other things, all that has been done, and also your own take on it, as well as the people or the things you're working with, how they affect what you're doing, how they affect their own life and the service here. This is channeling 2. Channeling 3. Channeling 3, I am getting, you have become somebody very structured. For some of you, maybe you have come from channeling too. There is something where you have become very stern, very serious. Some of you, you're Leos here. Some of you, you're Geminis here. Some of you, you're coming from channeling too. You are Aquariuses. You are people with strong Uranus. You're here with a mission. You're here to do something. You're here to put your revolution in something here. And you have structured that. You have arrived. There is a connection between channeling 2 and channeling 3. What I am getting for channeling 3, many of you, you're Leos. Many of you, you're Geminis. Many of you have strong Saturn influence. What I am getting is there is something that has become robust, that has become stern about you, truthful. You've changed here. You've matured. You've been working with Saturn, all right? Saturn. You haven't changed all that you were, but yep, Saturn is Saturn, right? So let's have a look at the cards that we have, and we did talk about a certain leadership that will go with very well with, especially channeling 2, but everybody is welcome here. You have tuned into your heart. There is a beautiful becoming here. Let's have a look at your cards. Wow, play, have fun, celebrate, don't be so serious. I do think there are different elements of your personality that have finally clicked. As much as you're very serious, as much as you have a cause, is what I keep hearing, as much as you're very stern about something, you're learning to play. You have learned to play. You have learned to tone something down here. We do have a lot of Leo energies, playful energies, fire energy. We will do it, but let's tone it down a bit. Oh, transformation. Things are changing at a cellular level. Deep healing. For some of you, if you're still going, this is your message. But for many, I do see things have already changed at a cellular level. There is a certain becoming here. Mirror. Who or what is triggering you? The little things I am getting, you are sorting a lot in your life when it comes to getting your life balance together. This could be work, routine, your mental health, your spirituality, and all that. There is a need for you to keep seeing if there is someone or something that is triggering you and how to deal with that, because I don't see their patterns of behavior is right for you or is right for where you are going. So this may be, if that is someone that is not maturing, that is not changing, you may want to just put that on a shelf and see what it becomes later. Or for some of you, just drop it. That will definitely depend on you and what you're going through. We don't know what everybody is going through. Wow, builder. Your innate ability to build and create brings you a deep sense of accomplishment. This is very connected, before we get into the collective, into channeling 1 reading. Those people attracting a strong, I don't know, Sagittarian or fire sign here. I'm also getting Aries energy from that. Your innate ability to build and create brings you a deep sense of accomplishment. For channeling 1, this is coming straight for you. This person is seeking you. For some of you, they have already set eyes on you. They have already located you. There is a very structured plan, but very real. No game playing is what I am getting. No BS with this person. No game playing. How to approach and how to start talking with this person is what I am getting. For others at the collective level, that doesn't have anything to do with channeling 1. You've got leadership and you're building something for your life, okay? And there is something, it's going with all these Aquarius energies as well. We have had in channeling 2. There is something with this. You have your eyes on something. You have had your eyes on something. You're getting a crown here. It is working for you. And if there is something or someone that is still triggering you, there is a need to see where you're going to put that on hold or throw it away if it's not working. Will be different for different people. So you're building. You have built your leadership. You have built your leadership. There is a certain coming back here of your work. Ooh, Serge Gainsbourg. Beauty is a promise of happiness and a guarantee of despair. When I leave, you shall have no kisses left. To love, you must ignore the difference between pleasure and pain. What I am getting, because in the channeling I did get people falling in love. For some of you, no. Okay, this is going with that trigger. For some of you, that won't be for everyone. If there is somebody still triggering you, I am getting this is this energy here. When you're going, you don't have time for, I am hearing third party situations. You don't have time for people who have a certain lifestyle here that is just not aligning with you. You're coming as Jacqueline Kennedy, and this is you, and this is them, and they're coming as a mirror, as a trigger. So there is a need to see for those with whom this aligns, this resonates, what you're going to do with that during the energies of the winter solstice. Rihanna, the better you are, the better it is. Sometimes you have to stick it out through the storm. This is what you did. Well done. You have to be strong to let yourself be weak. For some of you, it has to do with that. You have to be strong with whatever that mirror, that trigger is. Twin soul or whatever here for some. Okay, you have become Rihanna. And this would be important here. Let's have a look. Oh, Billie Holiday, you're singing your song, my friends. A kiss never tasted is like a fine wine wasted. There is something, some of you here, you are confining yourself, you are blocking yourself, you are handicapping yourself. There is, for a group here, especially those from channeling one, somebody seeking you. They are more aligned with what you're doing in your life, what you're doing in your work, what you're doing with your life and how to move your life forward compared to, I don't know what's going on here. You could be a hard worker here, and this person could be someone who has connections. Things are easy for them. There is something that is just very different between the two of you for some. This could be a mirror, a trigger, a twin soul, or whatever here. You never know when to stop until you have had enough, or you have had too much, sorry. You can find friends in the darkest places. There's something about this, I'm hearing this guy here, this person here for some of you. You can find friends in the darkest places. You're presenting as Rihanna. Not, that's never been for you, never will be, I don't know. I'm not getting a great energy from that. It's coming with the who is triggering you, the mirror card. For some of you, it is a love story that has reached a dead end. Maybe it was always a dead end with this particular person here. So maybe let's start with love, because for some reason we have had a lot of love. So let's get a couple of cards from this, and then we'll draw from the regular tarot. Winter solstice reading. Solstice energy reading. This one wants out, and bottom of deck, 9 of Wands. There is a very beautiful person that can reciprocate the love that some of you have been fighting to find in the wrong people, in the wrong crowds. Maybe this person had a role in some of your lives, but I do see somebody who's a bit more aligned to you when it comes to how they treat the other sex, how they treat their partners. Very mature. They are like you. It's really up to you, for some of you here, what you want to choose. 8 of Swords. Ace of Cups. You will be shown the light aspect of life, Ace of Cups, and the dark aspect of life. We do have two people here for some of you. Two masculines, there is a choice to make. Two people, there is a choice to make, okay? Builder and this. Oh, wow. Someone will pursue you. I am getting it is this builder. They will pursue. They won't sit there, especially if that is a man. and let women come to them, or whatever's going on there. It's very disturbing. Temperance, there is somebody who's going to treat you like a king or a queen here. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, and he's like, I'm the one. This person, man or woman, he's like, I'm the one. She's like, I'm the one. Choose me. And this is somebody who likes to win. They have a strong, there is fire in their chart. They are presenting us, and something is blurry all of a sudden. Something is already changing. Why is that blurry? Yeah. They have a strong Aries thing that makes them get things done. This could be Capricorn as well, like Sagittarius with strong Aries and Capricorn. They have strong fire in their chart, Aries, Leo, Sag. But they don't play. They don't play games. They are not in the art of seduction, really. They are more down to earth, out there. They are presenting as the Knight of Pentacles. They don't play those games here. This goes there. I think you're replacing a dark kind of love. Somebody who has distorted your idea of love as much as they have helped you. If they have, for some of you, they have distorted your idea of love, dragged you into dark places. I don't know. Sex word here is a little. But yeah, this person restores you back to who you are and what you love. That's for a group here. Okay, regular tarot reading for winter solstice. Okay, this one, this one, this one, this one. Oh, that one. Let's get one more. Deck open into two. Yeah, you've grown. Okay, man or woman, you've done a lot of work on yourself, and you're kind of waiting on all that life has to offer you, is what I am hearing. Job prospects, expansion, promotions, changes, movements. Many of you, as we've said, this is going with that card. You have tuned into your heart. You have realized that inner temple devotion, tune into the portal of your heart. You have realized that yours is a path where you were very challenged. Oh, look at that. And as you do the work, look who's coming. Knight of Cups. Oh. Aquarius is showing here with the star. Yours is a path that was requiring you to do the spiritual work, to do the deeper work, to do the most difficult things human beings have to do on this earth. That which you cannot understand for sure, that which, and see the Fool. There is something quite Aquarian here. We did have the star showing and now the Fool. You had a path of starting back to number 0 and not having a lot of guidelines, not having a lot of know-how and knowing for sure what is going on. You have trusted here. You have done the work. You have gone into your heart, done the work. Wow. Ooh. And you're waiting, for many of you, waiting on God here, waiting on the universe, waiting on God for many. Part of what's coming, it's not just your work, it's not just your new life, okay? It's a man, it's a dude, it's a wow. For many of you, you're getting two coming for you. You're getting two people coming for you. I am getting this here. You've changed this person for some of you, and you have a new person. This is for some of you, okay? There is one person here. This is a divine masculine. For some of you, this was a twin flame. This was a divine counterpart. They are not letting you go. You'll have a choice here for some of you. They are saying they've changed. You have changed me. You have brought salvation to my life. Some of you work with God here. Because this soulmate you've worked with, there was something that you would know. There was something that you helped them with, a lot of childhood issues, mother issues, parenting issues. This person has become, and this person has a strong earth component in their chart that they needed to work on. to let all that crap go, whatever that is. I don't know, maybe that's a great card, I don't know. I'm not getting a great energy. It's coming with the Mirror card. For some of you, that was a twin flame. For others, if that is just somebody who's triggering you and you don't see any change. Last time you saw them, yeah, there was more of that. Yeah, maybe just be open to life, your job prospects, see how you're going to get the best out of this reading. And if you're open for something new, even if that's a friend, somebody that can help you talk, somebody who's presenting like that. At times you don't like the Emperor, but that's the Divine Masculine. If you don't have a distorted Emperor or somebody controlling, then yeah. For some of you, you're having two, oh my God, and for some of you, that's a Leo. Remove that, that's a Leo. That's a Leo who's been fighting, but this is coming through. They've been doing the path with you. That's only for some of you, okay? Leo has been very, very present. This is their fight. They've been struggling to. There's a lot of love coming through. So let's see the regular tarot. Wow, Ten of Pentacles, money. And as we've said before in some of the channelings, you are now doing what you love and getting a wage, a pay, a rise out of it. Yeah, Four of Wands, you've aroused, I'm saying aroused. You have arrived, you are on solid foundation. You maintain your ground here. You maintain your ground. And it's been very difficult. It has not been easy, that path of maintaining your ground, that leadership is never easy. It wasn't easy. That crowning here is very deserved. It was not easy. Let's see what the two cards have to say. Damn, more love, more choices. Ace of Wands. You're getting what you want is what I am getting. You had a path of choices. You had a path of, do I go the easy way? Do I stick with what everyone else is doing just to get a pay? But I do read for a lot of people who come from a place of passion. I have to do something that is meaningful. I have to do something that is humanitarian. People that take their spirituality, people that take their uniqueness. A lot of Leo, a lot of Aquarius in my damn readings, okay? No matter what your sun sign is, I have to do something that matters. Leadership, Leo. Hello, Aquarius. I'm just going to rock your boat wherever you put them, is what they are saying. I am getting, yeah, I've been connecting with people who are like that. Great. Aquarius, Leo, kind of strong placements. You don't have to be those signs, but some of you, I'm sure you are. Fire signs, strong Aries, like, I'm going to take that and do something with it. I'm here to do something meaningful. I'm here to, my soul, it's the soul. My soul is here for something. All right. So how would this like to close? How would this winter solstice reading, this solstice energy reading, how would this like to close for this group here? Abundance, Three of Cups, and Ten of Pentacles twice. Wealth, 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 wealth. I feel like singing that because for some of you, you deserve that. Be in that energy. If this reading has to be your meditation for a month, let it be. See how you're going to work that, but keep attracting that abundance. Three of Cups, you'll be given energy of happiness, energies of satisfaction. Prudence, Eight of Pentacles. What did I say? They're all hard workers. They are all hard workers here. Builder, Eight of Pentacles, Capricorn energy, Earth energy, King of Pentacles is here. Watch the reading again. Take little bits every day. Make it your meditation for a month, 2 months, 3 months. See how you go. Absorb that energy for those who are feeling it. Defeat, which is the Five of Swords. This is what you went through. Knight of Cups, look at you. You're like, oh, hell no. Hell no, leave Aquarius, baby, and some Aries in there just to fight, fight, fight. Look at that. And there is something very spiritual about you. You're a very good combination of sweet and, I'm hearing sweet and sour. You could be sour, especially if you're Aquarius. You're sweet and sour. You give people a hard time, and good on you. I think we have the Knight of Cups. Watch the reading again. We do have the Knight of Cups. Some of you are attracting a Knight of Cups because you have been a Knight of Cups. You took the Knight of Cups qualities in you and you put it in work. You're like, I still have a cup. I don't care about the defeat. Five of Swords. Look at you coming out of this. Damn. Oh, God. Damn, Princess of Cups. Look at you. Spiritual to the core. Hard nut to crack. You're very spiritual. Your work, your cause is one that is very spiritual. Whatever it is that you have been fighting. As I've said, I have very strong people here. I have Leos and Aquarius strong, all those placements. I have Earth strong, all those placements. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. I don't know, I have everybody. I have Aries as well strong. These could be your placements, okay? If not your signs, one of these should be your placement here. You're like, yeah, I'll keep going. Princess of Cups, still carrying your spiritual duty in a career, in a work, in the world, in what you do. There you are. One more. And we did get wealth, okay? I'll put that here. We did get wealth before. 10 of Pentacles twice, Knight of Cups twice. One more card for this group, for this great group. Winter Solstice reading. Winter Solstice energy. Solstice energy. Science, 6 of Swords, and the Eon. Wow. Many of you, you're in the arts, in the teaching, arts, education. You have made a science out of it. Something is very Aquarius. Here's what I would like to say. And as I've said in the channeling 2 reading, maybe watch all the channelings as well. Make this your meditation is what I keep hearing. Make this reading your meditation to work with the solstice energy, because the solstice energy, it expands over the next 6 months. So timing is different for different people, and some of you, it can go over that because our path, it's not the same, but it is what we do to keep showing up for it. And for many of you here, I am reading for souls. You have incarnated to do that, and you would know because you would never give up, okay? You would never give up. Look at that energy. You're like, what, 5 of Swords? And I'm not saying that it was easy. I'm not saying for some of you, you're still there, you're still doing that, but you are here for a cause. And yours is one that is spiritual in nature. You're here to do something, and you're going to do it. Some of you, you're already here. Welcome. You're getting those interviews, you're getting those jobs, you're getting those doors open for you. Others, the energy is here. If you need to make that your meditation till the end of the year, depending on how hard your process is, because I am reading for people who has very real stuff going on for them here, okay? You have to do a bit more than just wear a crystal for this group. Tough process, tough mission. I thank you. I hope this helps. If you would like this reading to reach other people, help it circulate. If it has helped you and you feel like giving it a genuine like, please do so. Help it circulate. Thank you, and happy solstice energy.